my name is Redas. For each day of September, I uploaded a short video on YouTube, TikTok and Instagram. Let's check it out. 30 videos, 30 days. I've been pushed way out of my comfort zone this month. When I started, the goal was simple. Turn up, stay consistent and try and share some value every single day. I haven't gained thousands of followers. I've got no idea how this content thing works, and my videos have been far from perfect. The idea behind this challenge, it wasn't about the content, it was about accountability. A message to myself that it doesn't need to be perfect, you just need to show up. And that something is better than nothing. So what's next? I plan to keep sharing videos, but not every day. I want the content to provide real value and help people with their fitness goals. Here's for the next challenge. See you, troops. I'll be honest, I never thought I'd hear these words coming out of my mouth, but welcome to the first YouTube video. It's the weekend, and in today's Day in My Life video, we'll dive into nutrition, training, and what I get up to on the weekend. By the end of this video, you'll have a full upper body workout with tips on how to maximize hypertrophy, and I'll explain how I feel my body, which is exactly what I'm doing right now for maximum energy and performance whilst being in a calorie deficit. If you're new here, don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. Got loads of content planned, from quick workouts, meal preps, my tennis training, and tips on how I stay consistent with my goals. Right, let's jump right in. Just getting ready to go to the gym. Just got myself 100 grams of the mixed seed baguette. 100 grams of that, a bit of honey on top, some salt. Been feeling a bit flat in the gym when I go in the morning, so just getting a wee bit of carbs in, just so that the session is that bit easier to legs today as well, so need that. Just keep away protein here, some water. Get some protein in as well. Time to hit the gym, we're hitting some legs. Let's get it. Quick mobility in before hitting the legs. I mean, this doesn't have to take years or anything. Literally 5 minutes. 1990s. Just spending quite a bit of time in the end range here. Just pulsing back and forward. So that's where you're getting mobility. Is in that portion which is difficult. Just open up the hip flexor and the hamstring here. Tucking the pelvis in for the hip flexor. When I mean tucking the pelvis in, you're sort of twisting it. And then just dropping the back for the hamstring. Nice and easy. There's recently a thing that I read which absolutely changed how I look at the weather here in the UK, which is there's no such thing as bad weather. There's weather and there's your attitude. And since then I've sort of been sulking a lot less when it's raining and when it's soggy and when it's cold, just because that is just the majority of the time in the UK, so no point being miserable about it. Right, we're happy enough with that. Let's move on to the legs. This is a workout specific warm-up and exercise specific warm-up. So if you're warming up a muscle instead of going on the elliptical, we're hopping on the machine that we're going to use. We're going to do a couple of sets, a couple of warm-up sets, do like 12, 8, and then hop into your main set, which for me is going to be around 12 to 15 reps. First set, we've warmed up. Single leg stuff takes a longer time, so it's not as efficient. If there is no problems, stick to the two. Feels great for me. I need to do this just to strengthen this whole left side. Started it off with the weaker one first as well, just to gauge the weight better. Yeah. You want to get the most bang for your buck on the very last rep, instead of, okay, difficult, I'm finished now, I'm dropping it quickly. Slow downward portion, slow eccentric for about 2-3 seconds. Outside of the gym, I play quite a lot of tennis, especially with the previous hip flexor injury. I need to make sure that, you know, everything from bottom up is strong. So calves has been a go-to. Right beside me here, 150. And here's me complaining about a tweedy little hip flexor injury. I'm Bulgarian split squatting 20 kg, whilst considering using a wrap to reduce the weight on my grip strength. Right, let's get started. Workout's finished. Now walking through the Greenwich Market, looking for a wee spot to grab some brunch. My girlfriend in the back here. Look at this big stack. Unreal. Look at that. Just finished up with Bill's. Had pancakes with bacon, maple syrup and scrambled eggs, and it was a delight. Now I've got a food coma, so we're going to get some Diet Coke and then head back to the flat for a bit of editing. What are we doing? Cycling. Found some leftovers in the fridge: potatoes, beef, spinach, onion, kale. Let's see what we can muster up. First things first, need a big pan. Big pan, easy business. On the hob, some salt. On, hob on, beef. Easy. We don't need to worry about cooking anything first. Chuck everything in that we need all at once. Best thing about beef, you don't need to use any oil or butter. Turn the hob on, put the beef in. That will render as the pan heats up and you've got your oil sorted. In the meanwhile, let's break the beef up a little bit. cooking up a feast. Would you look at that? Beef, spinach, mixed veg, spring onion, kale, spinach, tatties on the go. Oh, come on. Oh. Too good, too good. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Next one is going to be about meal prepping for the week. Nice cheap meals that are high in protein and doesn't cost a fortune, doesn't break the bank. So stay tuned, like, follow, subscribe. Funny saying that, to be honest.